What's going on, guys? ESGO Films here. So today we're going to be talking about anxiety. Anxiety is one of the worst mental illnesses out there, in my opinion. I've been dealing with anxiety for about a year now. When I first started getting severe anxiety and panic attacks, I didn't know how to control it. Still to this day, I still don't know how to fully control my anxiety. I still get panic attacks. I still get anxiety. I always overthink, It's a really bad mental illness that really sucks. So today we're going to be talking about 5 ways that I think can help you with your anxiety. These 5 things help me. They may help you out because they helped me out with my anxiety. My cousin taught me a lot about anxiety, and shout out to him. And I'm not saying these 5 things are going to cure your anxiety or they're going to work for you, because this is just out of my own experience. These are the 5 things that worked for me. Hopefully these 5 things can help whoever's out there watching who's dealing with anxiety and who doesn't really know about it yet. So the first thing that I think can help you out with your anxiety is eating healthy. I think the whole world should be eating healthy. This one's a common one. This one's one that you guys have probably heard of. But yeah, eating healthy really does help you out. You need to have a healthy brain, and all that McDonald's and Jack in the Box, all that fast food, all that junk food, all that grease, it's really bad for you. I didn't know about these things until I started getting anxiety, because back then I used to eat really bad, and I still eat pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not saying I eat super healthy. I try to balance out what I eat. I try to eat pretty healthy, I don't try to eat fast food every single day like I used to. And there was a time where I was really going through it with anxiety, and I decided I needed to eat healthy, and I was eating healthy consistently. And that's one of the things about eating healthy, is you need to stay consistent about it. So I think everybody out there who has anxiety should start with eating healthy, and I'm pretty sure that's going to change your life. But you got to stay consistent, because that's the only way I think this is going to work for you. Second way I think can help you out with your anxiety is by doing exercise. And I don't mean you need to go lift weights at the gym and try to get strong and buff and look good, but I just mean you need to at least do 30 minutes of exercise every single day. This is also another common one. Doing simple exercise, but it really did help me out. I really did feel way better about myself. And at one point I thought I cured my anxiety through eating healthy and exercise, because I really had no more anxiety. The thing about doing exercise is you also have to stay consistent with it, because that's kind of the only way it's going to help you out. The third way that I think can help you out with your anxiety is you need to learn all about what anxiety is. You need to research what it is. You need to find out what's causing your anxiety. You need to find out what it is. You need to find the root of why you're getting anxiety. That's another thing that I did, is I learned about anxiety. I know a lot about anxiety. I know a lot about panic disorder. I know a lot about these mental illnesses because I just studied them. I was just always researching. So I feel like that's a really good way to deal with your anxiety, because when you have that anxiety, you already know why you're having it. You already know what it's gonna feel like. The fourth thing that I think can help you out with your anxiety is going to church, or simply just praying or reading the Bible. Getting religious, I guess. Not super religious, but just kind of getting closer to God. That's one of the things I started doing, because I couldn't deal with my anxiety anymore. It was really stressful, and I couldn't do anything. I do go to church every single week. I try to go every Sunday. I try to pray every night. If you have anxiety or panic attacks, panic disorder, you know how it feels, man, and it sucks. It sucks, because you just feel like you can't do anything anymore with your life. The fifth thing that I think can help you out with your anxiety is medicine. This was my last option, was medicine, because ever since I was young or little or whatever, I never wanted to depend on medicine. I never wanted to be addicted to medicine. I didn't want that to win over me. So that was my last option. But my anxiety was so bad that I had to take medicine. I had to take medication. I took Zoloft, I've taken Prozac, Lexapro, Ativan, Xanax. I've taken plenty of medicine for anxiety, and I feel like the only one that did help me out was Zoloft, 50 milligrams. I still take that one, to this day. I take it every single day. Zoloft is basically just an SSRI. It's basically an antidepressant. But the thing about antidepressants or Zoloft is they don't work right away. They're not just gonna work when you're having bad anxiety or panic attack. That's the thing that was stressful to me, because I really just wanted it to work right away, but I was impatient. People who deal with this are strong people. People always think anxiety is nothing. It's just get over it, this and that, but they just don't know. They don't understand. So my final words, if you deal with panic attacks or anxiety, generalized anxiety disorder, just stay strong, keep fighting. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys got something out of it. Please leave a like, please subscribe, leave a nice comment. Please share this video with a friend. If you know anybody that's going through this mental illness, please share it with them. Hopefully they get something out of it. Thank you guys for watching, And hope you guys have a nice day. Stay blessed, everybody. Peace.